If your factory is integrating high-power laser welding equipment, maintaining strict safety protocols and well-trained operators is essential for smooth production. Operation of Suntop laser welding machines relies on 4 core safety layers: specialized optical protective eyewear, protective shielding barriers around the welding cell, adequate fume extraction systems for airborne particulates, and comprehensive operator training. Personnel typically undergo structured training covering machine safety procedures, basic laser principles, precise parameter programming for various metal thicknesses, and weld quality inspection standards. Adhering to these safety and training guidelines helps protect workers, reduces operational downtime, and maintains consistent weld quality across daily shifts. How does your facility currently manage operator training and laser safety protocols? Share your plant procedures in the comments below, or DM us directly to receive our operator training checklist and safety setup guidelines.